everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 528 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara that I got in my July Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So if you have not seen my unboxing of that, I will link that video down below so that you can go watch it. But so I love Thrive Causemetics because it says, beauty with a purpose. For every product purchased, one is donated to help a woman thrive. And I've also loved all of the products that I've tried from Thrive so far. But so this retails for $24 and it sounds so neat. It says flake-free liquid fiber technology combines buildable fibers and Korean plant extracts for instantly longer, thicker lashes. Orchid stem cell complex stimulates and encourages lash growth. Okay, and it has a picture of with and without on the back of this. And I'm just like, are you kidding me? That looks crazy. But I really hope it works. Also, this is a heavy mascara for some reason. And I have this in the shade Bryn Rich Black. Okay, why is this so heavy? Look at this packaging though, it's so cute, and this is pretty big. I feel like the weight is coming from the lid, the cap of this, the wand. Okay, so here is what the wand looks like. It's got that kind of like a cone shape, but I like that it doesn't have those brush bristles. It more has like the stubby little plastic bristles, and those are the types of wands that I prefer. But I do not understand why this has so much weight in the handle here. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to the lashes. I didn't curl my lashes like I normally would because I wanted to be able to see if this had any curling effect to it. Wow, but right away I am seeing the opposite of a curling effect. This is actually kind of straightening my lashes. I feel like my lashes have never looked so straight. But this is just my first coat and it looks like I applied 3 coats of another, like a standard mascara. Like, this is very volumizing. Wow, yeah, you can really build this up to a lot of volume, but the more I add, the more the lashes are sticking together. So it's not keeping them very separated, and I definitely prefer more of a separated look. Okay, so here is the difference. My eye with the mascara versus without it. And that really is a beautiful, nice difference. There's volume, there's length, but there is no curl. This absolutely needs to be curled with a lash curler. All right, let's see how it does on the lower lashes. I really like how this wand just grabs the lashes so easily. Like, that's a really nice lower lash line mascara. And what I love almost most of all about this is that there is no mess with this wand. It's skinny enough that it's not getting all over my eyelids. There is no mascara on my eyelid at all. And I almost never see that happen. So, okay, here is the difference. I'll do a zoomed in view so that you can see. I am honestly impressed by this. You don't need much at all to make it look very volumized. The only thing is I wish it had some separation and some lift and curl because it does not have either of those. My lashes definitely do not look like the picture on the back here because of the way that they're sticking together. The picture on the back here has full separation. Every individual lash is coated and separated, but when I used it, the lashes definitely stuck together. I'm going to apply it to the other eye just to get my final thoughts. This is also a really nice full black color. There also isn't really any clumping, so that's good. But yeah, it looks the exact same on my other eye. There's still that lack of separation that I'm looking for, but some people prefer this look. And if you do, and you just really want that volume, then I think that this is a great product to use and to pick up. And don't get me wrong, I do like it and I will continue to use it, but definitely with a lash curler. Let me know in the comments down below how you like your lashes to look. Do you like for them to be separated, volumized? Do you like a true black color? And let me know what your favorite mascaras are to achieve those looks. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.